Hey there, welcome back. I've got a really beautiful recipe for you, one that you are so gonna love. I'm making a show-stopping red velvet loaf cake beautifully topped with a luscious vanilla cream cheese frosting. Let's start baking. We're going to start by mixing together room temperature butter and cast sugar until smooth and fluffy. Next add the eggs, cocoa powder, vanilla extract and red gel colour. This one I'm using is a Sugar Flare Extra Red, and it's really important to use a good gel colour when you're making a red velvet cake. Mix until fully combined before adding plain flour and buttermilk and beat once more, making sure not to overmix. The final ingredients to mix in is baking powder, bicarbonate of soda or baking soda and white wine vinegar. When fully mixed in, we can get this into the tin. This tin I'm using is a 2-pound loaf tin. Pour the mixture in and smooth the top. And we need to bake this in a preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes. When baked, remove from the oven and allow to cool fully. Now for the cream cheese frosting. This is similar to making buttercream, so we're going to mix room temperature butter for about 5 minutes until soft and whiter in colour. Add in the icing sugar in 3 stages, mixing it in before adding more and mixing again. When the icing sugar is fully mixed in, add in the full fat cream cheese. Make sure to remove any liquid from it before you add it. Add in the vanilla extract and mix one last time for about 30 seconds. I know lots of people find cream cheese frosting difficult to make because it can be very loose and runny, but if you follow this recipe, you won't have any problems. Alright, let's get this onto the red velvet cake. Pipe the cream cheese frosting on top or slither it on with a spoon, whichever you like. Finish off with some red velvet crumbs, and to make these I usually take a tiny little slice from the bottom of the cake, you wouldn't even notice it, and crumble it up. Check out my red velvet cupcake recipe on my channel if you fancy making something smaller. The full recipe for this red velvet loaf cake is in the description box under the video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone,